Hello everyone, and welcome to the video of introduction of the seat covers for the Toyota rav4. Let me start with the headrest seat covers. Here, this is for the passenger seat, and here is another headrest cover for passenger seat. Now, let me introduce you to the passenger seat cover. How you can recognize that this is the passenger seat cover is thanks to this airbag tag on the right side of the seat cover. Here we have the driver's seat cover. How you can recognize it is because of the airbag tag is on the left side of the cover. Okay, now let's continue with the two cushions for the driver's seat and for the passenger seat. How you can recognize the difference between them is thanks to this little cloth cushion, which has to align together with the airbag tag. The same is on the other side, where you have on the left side here this cloth cushion as well. And this is of course the passenger seat. We also have to align with the airbag tag on the left side.
Remove the two elastic belts at the rear of the driver's seat from the bottom of the seat buckle. When the elastic is removed, insert the buckle back as it was, so the rear of the seat cover can pass through the gap in the front of the back.
Okay, and now let me show you how to install the seat cover and the bench cover cushion on the driver's seat. First of all, we have to move the whole seat backward, which we'll do with the lever under the seat. And the next step is to move the backrest back, which is operated by the lever over here. Move it back. Okay, now let's remove the headrest. Pulling it up first, and then press the button and push it upward. And now, let's install the driver's backrest seat cover. First of all, take it from this side and pull it over the backrest like this. And be sure that it fits properly. Okay, so after the installation of the backrest seat cover, be sure that you adjust these two holes over here properly, just like this. Pull it over one side and then another side. Same over here. First one side and then another side. So now let's continue with the backrest seat cover. So first of all, you will need a little device over here. This yellow shovel can help you to tuck in this front part of the backrest cover. So first of all, you have to tuck it in with your fingers, and then you can use this, pull it in properly. Tuck it in as much as you can into the gap between the bench and the backrest. Okay, so now it's finished and installed properly in the gap. Okay, so now let's install the driver's seat cushion over here. So here you have two plastic clasps. Then you put over here and slide it between the seat and the backrest seat again. And it goes this way into the gap again. Be sure that you tucked it in properly. Okay guys, so now let's look at the two elastic straps, which are beneath the seat. Over here is one, and another elastic strap beneath the seat is over here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to fix the back side of the driver's back seat cover. So first of all, you will need two of these little metal hooks. Now you lift this up, and then you will find over here these two elastic straps. So first of all, you pull the elastic strap through the hole in the hook, and then pull it over this way, and then pull it up and fix it. Now you hang it here. Another one, same way. Pull the elastic strap through the metal hook, and then pull it over like this, pull it up, and hook it over here in the pocket. Now be sure that you pull out properly the bottom of the cushion in front seat. After that, you can finally zip it up over here, just like this. Okay, so now let's look at the Velcro that you have over here at the bottom of the cushion. So first, be sure that you pull it out properly, and also that you pull out properly these plastic clasps. Now here on this side you have the Velcro that you stick over here, which is the end of the cushion from the front seat. Now here you have these two plastic straps. Throw them underneath the seat, big enough that you can reach them later. Okay, so now you will need this little yellow shovel, and with this you will tuck in the edge of this seat, just like this. Okay, so after you finish this part, the edge of the cushion, move the whole seat forward again in order to reach those two straps. And here you have those two plastic straps. Alright, so now let's attach or hook all of the straps that we have here. First of all, let's put these two hooks over here, and then let's take these plastic straps and pull them through these plastic clasps like this. 1, 2, and pull. Be sure that you tighten it up correctly. Over here, another one. First over here, and then the second. Then pull again. Okay, can move it back there. And now remove the metal hooks and attach them underneath the seat, just like this. 1 and 2. Okay, so now let's put on the headrest cover. So you can recognize the side next to the turn. So just open the cover and put it on. It's very easy. Okay, when you are done, then you just simply stick the Velcro together. Then move your back seat cover, the headrest back on its place, push it down, and then move the seat forward again. Now I'm going to show you how to install the armrest cover. First of all, you have to find the right side. So this is the front, the narrower part over here. First of all, lift up the armrest, take the strap and pull it over the armrest cover, Now slide it on the top, just like this. And you're done. Okay, so now in order to put the rear seat cushions on the bench, you will have to first remove the bench, and you will need both hands to do that. So place your hands over here and pull up until you hear. And the same way you have to do it also on the other side of the bench. So now you can just simply lift it up and remove the whole bench. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install the back seat covers. First of all, you have to pull the lever and move it towards you. Then you will take the covers, unzip, pull it back, and slide it under the seat belt, just like this. And then you can pull it over. Here and here. And now just simply pull it down to the right. Okay, so the last part you have to do over here is in back. So first of all, you have to zip it up and stick the Velcro on the bottom, and then again do the holes for the headrest, just like this. First one side and then another side. Okay, so now let's fix the Velcro straps that you have on the bottom of the seat cover. Two are here and one is over here. So first of all, you have to tuck them there underneath the backrest over here, and now flip the backrest. Here is the piece of cloth with a screw, and now here you have the hook 1, 2, and here is the third one. Okay, now reattach the screw back there again. Like that. And put it back in the original position. Okay, so now let's install the last back seat cover. So in order to do that, you have to first pull the lever again, move the backrest towards you, undo the Velcro over here, and simply put it on. Okay, so right now you just have to pull it down a little bit. You need to use more strength. When you put it there properly, then now, okay, so at the bottom, on the bottom of the cover seat, you can find the Velcro strap again. Just like before, you have to tuck it in as further as you can, and then pull the seat, put it down, remove this part, and here is the Velcro strip, and here you can reattach it firmly again. Okay, so now let's install the rear seat bench covers. So first of all, put it on, just like this, and now let's pull it over the edge, just like this, one side, and now on the other side. Okay, so on the left and right side of the bench, you can find these elastic straps. So take this plastic strap and pull it through, and then pull it through this plastic clasp. 1, 2, tighten it. And here, let's take the metal hook again, attach it to this little elastic strap. Again, pull it through and around the hook, and now pull it up. Okay. So after you fixed and tightened all of the straps over here, there's a last part remain, and it's these two metal hooks. Just simply hook them together like this, and you are done. Okay, so now let's put the bench back. First of all, you have to move the seatbelt buckles a little bit back, then push it inward. So, as you can see, then the installation of all seats here in the car was successful, and it was pretty easy. The whole procedure can take just roughly around 30 minutes. And I have to say that the seats are really good quality, and you can feel that they are really, really nice if you touch it. And there is a good reason for it, and the reason is that these seat covers are made exactly for this type of the car, which in this case is Toyota rav4. So I highly recommend you to buy these seats for your Toyota.